In this video, we'll show you how to remove the refrigeration cassette in the RVV 700. First step, we need to elevate the elevator away from the bottom of the vendor with one of the binder clips provided with the vendor. The next step, we need to cut the power to the vendor by flipping the power switch on the power box. To remove the refrigeration shroud, remove these 3 screws. After removing the 3 screws, lift up on the back tabs and remove the shroud. After removing the refrigeration shroud, remove these 2 screws, disconnect the power harness here, remove the temp sensor from the temp sensor clip here, and then separate the 2 wire harnesses. Next, we need to remove the left refrigeration shroud by removing this cut screw here at the bottom and pulling the shroud out. Next, remove the 2 3/8" nuts down the left-hand side to remove the top refrigeration shroud. Now that the bolts are removed, remove the top shroud. Slightly loosen the 2 tensioner bolts on the hold down angle and then remove these 4 bolts to fully remove the hold down angle. After removing the 4 bolts, lift and remove the hold down angle. Once the hold down angle is removed, slide the compressor out and away from the center wall. To reinstall your compressor cassette, reverse the previous steps.